How to log into Northrop Grumman Employee Portal. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over here, type in Northrop Grumman Employee Login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Just scroll down and head towards this one website option. Open it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, go ahead and type in your email or username. Then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the option of forgot your password to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on login, and just for that you will be logged into your account. If you haven't created your account yet, click on the option of sign up and go through the process. Well, this way you can easily log into Northrop Grumman Employee Portal. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.